Taking in oil increases your cholesterol level, but the prices of it keeps increasing day in and day out. In this video, we are going to kill two birds with one stone. I'm Yummy Cash. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Now in this video, we are going to be cooking chicken. We fry it and at the same time make oil out from it. So what you need is your chicken. That is the main important ingredient of making your oil. And I have with me here my chicken I bought, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and cut them into smaller sizes. Now when I'm done with the cutting, I wash them neatly and then put them in a pan. Because I want some oil out from this, I left the fat of the chicken on. It's now time to season the chicken. I am going in with some cumin seeds, some black pepper powder, white pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. I'll then go in with some seasoning powder. Next, I'll add in some star anise and some bay leaves to give it more flavor. Then some salt to taste. I'll then add enough water and cover it to start cooking the chicken. You can use any spices of your choice. For me, the type of spices I add to my chicken when I'm cooking it depends on my mood. So after some time, I give it a good stir and cover it once more to fully cook the chicken. So to give a closer look, at some point you realize that oil starts surfacing on top of the chicken. We are on the right path. Cover it and, as I said, cook it fully. After you're done cooking it fully, take every chicken out from the stock. You should be having something like this. Let it cool completely. When the stock fully cools down, you realize there is oil on top of the stock. Now carefully scoop every bit of it and put it in a separate pan. Literally, this is chicken fat which has been melted, right? That is the reason why I left the fat on. And chicken fat, when melted, is nutritionally good. And there is no difference between this and butter or ghee. When you are consuming this on a diet, you need to know that it contains a lot of calories. So you need to be very cautious of it. At this stage, this is what I am having. You can see the oil settling on the top and some liquid at the bottom of it. So we are going to cook this or let it simmer till the liquid that is at the bottom of the oil dries up. And I'm having this old stock that I kept in the refrigerator. You can see the layers of it, right? Now I'm going to scoop the oil from the surface and add it to the one on the fire. If today is the first time on this channel, my name is Yummy Cash, and on this channel we do homemade food recipes. So if you are into that, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and also give this video a very big thumbs up. And to my returning subscribers, I say Akwaba. Thank you so very much for your sharing, for your comments, for your like. Thank you very much. So after some time, you realize that the liquid at the bottom starts evaporating. Also, make sure you don't burn the liquid. At this point, it is okay. So time to strain it. So I'll strain the oil through a coriander. So I'll throw those parts away. I'm going to leave the oil to cool down and settle. So the next morning, this is the oil, and you can see it has thickened a little bit here because it is cooled down completely. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and also check out what I made with this oil. I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think yummy. Choose.